Hi there guys, today I'm gonna actually show you a common problem on Golf Mark 3, which is the running windows, electric especially. Lately it appeared that several cars actually managed to fold the window down, but the window wouldn't come up. A lot of guys actually just replace the whole assembly, and to be fair, I was thinking the same thing, but then I just start stripping and I've actually solved the issue. It seems that Volkswagen actually developed a slight faulty plastic mold in the bracket which holds the window, by means that the power of the electrical system somehow in time breaks the casing of the runner. This happens usually at the top, where you can see this metal teeth. Actually, it shouldn't be like that, and should be covered in white plastic. What happens is that the plastic breaks, the teeth are vulnerable, and in time they will actually deform. This one appeared to be like once fixed, you can tell by the black ashy trace, but it wasn't enough. So what I've done is I've bought off eBay a new part which appears to be stiffened. It has like a bit thicker plastic, to be honest. It has the original shape, however they added like an extra bit of plastic in order to prevent the breaking and then the deforming of the metal teeth. This piece actually, you can find it in a kit online. It's like 13 quids, and it comes with also the cables and the running gear at the motor. However, you won't need those. You can actually keep them as a spare for when the cables are broken, and use only the clip which actually holds the glass itself. Now, this should actually fix the problem, because in the end the problem is quite simple. The casing which comes on this bob here on the cable, it's failing. So let's get going. So first of all, you've got to understand how the system goes. Initially it's quite simple. You got to place this piece over the bob, but at the same time clipping somehow over the runner. So I've studied a bit, because I'm not like the genius of the century, and I've managed to find that the way to actually put it is slightly from the right towards the left, so it somehow goes over the running gear. First of all, you don't have to actually be fooled by this hole here, as if you see, the hole is actually above the place you actually look for. So all you have to do is like start putting it on the right side first time, which is kind of a bit tricky if you ask me. You've got to bend a bit the plastic bits, the upper and the lower, in order to glide over the rail. This thing can be done like so easy with proper tools. However, I lack tools. So as you can see already, it's clipped a bit. It's not that easy now. But then you've got to actually check continuously for this part here, where is the full rounded plastic in the metal, to be precisely on that metal on the running. So what I'm gonna do is like tilt it until it's gonna clip However, it's not that easy, so the position should be here. So what I'm looking for should be around here. So yeah, it's all about fiddling and make it work. But guys, this is worth it as long as you save some money instead of actually buying the whole assembly. So the next step, once it has went inside, as you can see, it's like fixed, doesn't want to move, is to check that everything is going okay. So let me adjust the camera somehow for you guys to see it. You've got to check that the running gear is exactly on that bob, which in my case slightly over, but it needs better. So what you have to do is like starting to put actually the cable in the plastic runners. There are a bit of runners around, because initially they are over the plastic and some of them have to actually be under the plastic. So under the cable, I apologize. So it's a job of fiddling, and as you can see, everything stands on top of the cable. So for example, this plastic here, this end of the plastic has to go under the cable, which should be easy, but in theory it's one thing, practice is another. So what you have to do is just keep on trying. So obviously for me it doesn't work that well, which is not that good. Remember the fact that we got the bob over there, so that also adds to the complexity of this situation, but we'll get there. So as you can see, I finished the assembly, and in order to keep it stable and not going off the runner, you have to, and I repeat again, you got to actually put the end of this plastic, you'll see it's like a beak. I can't actually somehow zoom it. You've got to put it under the cable, so in this way, due to the tension of the cable, the whole system is not flipping. So this is kind of it. I mean, this is how you actually replace the tricky bit, and this is how you actually save money. Now, only thing that's left is to mount it on the car and see if it's running. And if it's running, I hope this will help you. So let's get going. So as you can see, I've already mounted the support on the window and the whole assembly on the door itself using this screw, this one, and this one. The principle is quite easy. I had quite a bit of trouble with the electrical connection. I don't know, I just don't understand from the first time how to actually mount it. But anyway, it is mounted, so now we're gonna actually do the test. So wish me luck. And it's going up, and now going down. So actually the window now responds how it should on the commands. Yeah, electrical window. So I hope you guys find this helpful, and don't forget to smash the like button if it helps you. And in case I've got some other troubles on the car and nobody actually knows how to fix them, I would actually do a video about them. Till then, stay safe and don't forget to do anything you like at your Volkswagen, and mainly keep them on the road. Twizzles.